dreaming? What we dreaming? Are we dreaming? What we dreaming? Are we dreaming?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have another video all on my bag and how I organize it. So pretty much I have shown this bag ever since I got it and I am in love with it. I'm always finding new cute items to share with you guys on what I keep in my bag, what I carry, how I organize it. And today I'm going to show you guys a simple organization of my bag. So I do have the Neverfull MM Louis Vuitton in the regular LV canvas print. It's red interior and it's beautiful. It's literally such a perfect bag. If you guys are thinking of possibly getting this bag, I say do it because I literally love mine. So this is how it's currently looking like. Looking a little messy in here, so I do have all of my essentials here. So I will be using an organizer. This bag organizer is from Cloversac. I will leave all the links and information of where to buy it, the website, the direct link of the one that I have, and I'm just going to share with you guys how it looks. So I did get a red one. Cloversac has 4 general sizes. 128 is the most popular organizer size because it fits most bags such as the Neverfull MM, Speedy 30, Hermes Birkin 35, and other bags that are around the same size. It is lightweight, structured, and you could definitely wash it if it gets dirty. So I wanted to choose a red interior to match the bag. So this one is a perfect red color and it's kind of like a soft sturdy material. Here it is. It says Cloversac right there. And they provide various colors as well as sizes. It creates like movement in the bag, so I am key with that because I don't want it to be super structured, but I still want it to be organized inside. So without the attachment that looks like this is like the divider attachment with different compartments. It looks like this. So it's pretty open. I love how there's a detachable compartment because that way if I do want it in here, I could have it and kind of create more organization if I have more stuff. But if not, I can always just carry it like this if I want it to be just like free. It also has side interior pockets. So this is 1, 2, and 3 ones on the side. And these are like a clear color. So there's this one and this one, as well as this bigger one at the top right there, as well as side pockets. So this is another side pocket and this is another side pocket. So it's literally full of space and organizing pouches and pockets. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4 compartments, and it also has the attachments right there. So I'm just going to clip them on the sides. I really like how it's with clips like this because that way I can better secure it rather than it moving around, or with the Velcro it could detach. This one I know it's gonna stay here for sure. And I can always just quickly like detach it as well. Creates this middle part with like compartments. Now be organizing everything in here. We'll be putting my Kate Spade wallet in there. It's just like a dusty pink color. So I'm gonna throw this probably on the bigger side. I have my tissues. But this is what I'm currently rocking right now. This is hot buttered rum. So rocking the lip liner. This is BFF3, so I'm using this combination on my lips right now. And this is my lip balm. This is the Nivea one. Essentials, I have lotion. This is 1,000 Wishes by Bath & Body Works. Passion Struck by Victoria's Secret. Body spray and another body spray. This is I think this is like Aqua or something. Oh no, it's a Dream. There it is. I have a mirror. This is just like a little Sephora mirror like that. It's a My Melody case, and in here I just keep some Advil. I never know if I need Advil, just in case I get a headache, cramps, whatever the case may be, and I need some. I always have some in here. I have this pen that I got from Dollar Tree. It's super cute, super spring and summer vibe. My sunglasses pouch. It's like a unicorn little soft pouch, and these are my sunglasses, so I'm just gonna throw them in here. And car keys and my keychain, my phone. So here is my phone and my current phone case that I am rocking. Planner that I will be using now as of July. It's so pretty. Look at this pattern. It's so cute. I love it, and the inside looks like this. I'm so excited to just like plan my life away. This is how the calendar looks like, and then these are the days or the weeks. And then on the side I just have my pen. This one is from Daiso. It's a multi-pen, and it looks like this. So I love this one. It's kind of a good size, so I will be putting this as well. So my bag is now empty. Here we are, all empty inside, and now I'm just gonna put my organizer. Pretty much this is how it looks like. It looks perfect. I'm just gonna stand up and show you guys. So this is how it looks organized. My planner fits in this big area right here, my pen, and then I have my phone in here, and my wallet fits right there. Everything fits perfectly in this compartment area, and then I put like my keys as well as like my eyelash container. I also have, let me flip it around, my sunglasses and mirror. Everything fits very well on this side, and it has so much organization. It looks a lot cleaner, it looks a lot better, and it's really good. So I'm just going to take this and literally put it inside of the bag. If I could show you guys. There we go. And look at how the bag looks like. It looks really good. It's definitely movable. You can still definitely move with your body and the bag, and it's still gonna be really nice on the shoulders. Not structured whatsoever, still a lot of movement, and this is how the inside looks like. So organized. My life feels so much better now. I feel accomplished. It makes me feel like I got my life together. So I really love it. I really enjoy this. If I didn't want this in there, it definitely fits on the side of the bag as well, like a water bottle or something, like over here, or another thing. It definitely has room for that as well. Like I said, this bag organizer literally saved my bag right now, saved the day. So I really enjoy it. From Cloversac. I will leave all the information of where to buy it, the direct link down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like it, subscribe if you have not already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.